Hello YouTube, my name is Shruti and you're watching Tickle Me Pink. Now, one of my absolute favorite YouTubers, who I actually started watching only a few months ago, is Safiya Nygaard. She does some really cool fashion challenges, and a few months ago she had done one where she swapped clothes with her boyfriend. So she wore her boyfriend's clothes and her boyfriend wore her clothes, and I thought that challenge was really fun. So I decided to take up half of that challenge and I wore my husband's clothes for a week. I honestly feel like wearing men's clothes, or like the androgynous trend, is something which is catching up a lot in fashion. We have things like boyfriend jeans, which are totally in fashion, and wearing like the oversized blazers or oversized jackets are also totally coming back in fashion. So keeping in mind all this, I decided to take up the challenge and I wore my husband's outfits for a week, and this is how it went. So the things that I kept in mind while choosing these outfits are A, things which I really like in his closet, so like t-shirts that I've been eyeing which I think would look good on me, and B, I chose outfits that he would actually wear or that I've actually seen him wearing. So for the first outfit, I actually had to go out for dinner with my uncle and cousins, so I kept the outfit like super simple. Like I just kept it to a t-shirt and ripped jeans so as to like not shock anybody. Okay, so first up, I'm wearing this really cool t-shirt. It has Donkey Kong, like a pixelated Donkey Kong right over here, and I absolutely love Nintendo. And for jeans, I'm wearing my husband's ripped jeans from Zara. Honestly, the entire evening was super duper chill. Like I don't think I felt out of place in that outfit at all. Like apart from the fact that the jeans kind of made my rear end look bigger than what I would like it to look, but apart from that, I think the outfit looked pretty good on me. Like I absolutely loved the t-shirt, and the jeans were just so loose and comfortable. Like I don't have boyfriend jeans, like I don't own boyfriend jeans, so like wearing these were a welcome change from my skinny jeans. On day 2, I had to actually go shopping with a friend. She wanted me to accompany her because she wanted to buy sunglasses. So I went with her to the mall, and what I wore on day 2 was my husband's gunji and his shorts. So I'm currently at Vivo City Mall and I'm waiting for one of my friends to show up. I want to actually record her reaction to what I'm wearing to see if it's normal or she actually is like, what are you wearing? These are my husband's clothes.
लग नहीं रहे पर उसके but out of place नहीं लग रहे.
So the one thing that I want to talk about is that these shorts that I'm wearing, like the longest shorts, are shorts which I actually used to wear when I was in college. So I think these were kind of in fashion in like the mid 2000s. So it's really cool to see how fashion has sort of evolved, where like now me wearing these long shorts, I actually did feel out of place in the mall. This actually feels more like a workout outfit. There was no girl, like no female was wearing shorts which were like up till the knees. So it's really cool to see how like certain fashion trends like these long shorts have completely died, and it just makes me wonder if they'll ever come back, because I see bell bottoms sort of creeping their way back into fashion right now. So you never know, maybe in a few years we'll see these long shorts coming back into fashion. Now for outfit number 3, I wanted to wear like the shirt and trousers that my husband would wear to work. So I chose one of his favorite like checks formal shirt and one of his favorite chinos. But the thing that I did with this outfit is that I styled the shirt differently. So this day we actually went to Clarke Quay at night, which is why like the lighting is not as good for this, but I think you can make out the outfit on the whole. I styled the shirt to make it look like an off-shoulder crop top, which I think is absolutely amazing. And I folded up the chinos a bit because my husband is super tall and I'm kind of short and his pants do not fit me otherwise. The thing with this outfit is that because of the way I had styled it, nobody guessed that I was wearing my husband's office clothes. Like we had 2 of my husband's colleagues with us at Clarke Quay, and they did not guess at all that this was the outfit that my husband had worn literally the day before. For outfit number 4, I chose my husband's sports clothes. So my husband is super athletic. He absolutely loves sports. He loves going to the gym. He loves playing cricket. So he has a lot of sports clothes. Like literally there is one entire drawer dedicated for his sports clothes. So I had to choose a sports outfit as one look. But the thing about this outfit was that it was extremely comfortable, like maybe a little bit too comfortable. So the only thing about this outfit is that it is so loose, like the shorts are so loose and the t-shirt is so loose. It kind of looks like something that I would wear to go to sleep. So literally it's kind of like I'm out and about in my pajamas. But like honestly, even though it was like I was frolicking around in my pajamas, it was really fun to wear that outfit and just like walk about my neighborhood and just do silly things, because I was filming this by myself. There was no one to help me film this. So it might have been weird for a girl to be out with like a mini tripod dancing about in what looks like her night dress. But it was really fun, and I have to say wearing that outfit was extremely comfortable. And for day number 5, I decided to dress up like what my husband would wear on a night out. Like if you were going out to a pub or something, this is something that my husband would wear. But of course I styled it differently. I sort of like tied up the shirt and again rolled up the jeans because my husband is super tall. I wore this outfit when I was going to meet my friend like at her house where we were just chilling, and we took a few shots of the outfit like in and around her complex. But the thing is that it started to rain, so I don't have a lot of footage of this outfit, but you get the general idea. The good thing about this outfit is that because the shirt has a sort of floral pattern, it doesn't exactly look like I'm wearing men's clothing. Like I don't think I looked out of place. In fact, my friend was like, "Are you sure these are your husband's clothes?" So it honestly didn't feel like I was completely out of place with this outfit, and I honestly think it looked pretty good on me. So yeah, that was my video for this week where I dressed up in 5 of my husband's outfits. Doing this little experiment was really cool because it just made me realize that if you know how to style like things properly, you can actually wear men's clothes and pull it off like super fashionably. Like honestly, I feel like my entire husband's closet is now mine to sort of like steal things from and try out, because really you can make things look really stylish. So I hope this has given you some amount of inspiration to go into your dad's or brother's or boyfriend's closet and steal some of his clothes for you to wear. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up. Comment below letting me know what was your favorite look and if you are now going to take inspiration and start wearing men's clothes. And of course, do subscribe to my channel for weekly fashion and lifestyle videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.